ready to turn your product idea into a global sensation. Let's dive into setting up your Amazon FBA seller account. First, navigate over to sellamazon.com. This is where your FBA journey begins. Click on the Sign Up or Start Selling button. You'll then be prompted to create or log into your Amazon Beer account if you don't have one. Creating one is quick and easy. Once logged in, you'll need to provide your business information. This includes your legal business name, your contact name, and email address. Next, you'll select your business type, either individual or business. For a business, you'll need to provide your employer identification number, or EIN, if you're in the US. If you're an international seller, you'll likely need your tax identification number. Amazon will also require your bank account details for payouts. Make sure this is a valid account where you can receive funds directly. Then comes identity verification. You'll typically need a governmentist ID, like a passport or driver's license, and potentially a bank statement or utility bill to verify your address. Have these ready for a smooth process. Once your information is submitted and verified, you're ready to create your seller account. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days for verification. With your account active, you can start listing your products and sending them to Amazon's fulfillment centers. You'll choose between an individual selling plan, which is great for beginners with fewer than 40 sales per month, or the professional selling plan for higher volume sellers. Amazon FBA handles storage, packaging, and shipping directly to your customers, allowing you to focus on growing your business and reaching a wider audience. And that's it. You've taken the first crucial step into the world of Amazon FBA. Don't forget to subscribe for more FBA tips and strategies.